here's Hiccup. He hasn't been feeling very good lately, but he's not getting any medicine today because we ran out. But instead, he's going to get... Oh, where's from the camera? Oh, fortune cookie, his favorite little snack. Oh, he's still finishing a kibby. Hey, what's this? Yeah, it's your favorite. Yeah, it's for being a good boy and dealing with all your meds. Nom 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 nom. He's probably going to anoint with it, he always does. A little off center. There we go. Are you going to goop it on yourself? Are you going to goop yourself? Yeah, you going to try. You going to try to goop himself. No, I can't get a good view of him. Why must you hide behind your wheel? Safe to say he is gooping himself. Oh. Hi. You're gooping yourself. Do you want more? Oh, where are you going? You want one more? I don't want to give you too many because then you'll get chubby. Yeah. He loves fortune cookie. He just likes sweets. He loves his crunchy sweets. Like sweet potatoes as well. Oh, look at that happy munching. Yeah, cookies make you feel better. Not sure exactly what was wrong with him, but I theorized that he twisted a front leg when he got his foot stuck in his old fleece, but... Oh, what are you doing? He's twisting. Blah, blah, blah. Love, love, love. You're licking your wheel more than your body, dude. You're a doof. Look at that face. That is a happy face. He's like, instead of medicine, I get cookie. Gotta do it some more. You don't fit under there. He's like lifting his wheel up. Strong little bugger. But yeah, he's got new fleece now, so he won't get his toes stuck in it anymore. His old fleece survived like a year and a half and it was really threadbare. Are you happy? Yeah, he happy. He real happy.